2013 Dodge Charger HEMI, 5.7 liter. Got factory converters there, in there. Then it comes with a factory X pipe. Then we put DYNOMAX bullets right there and right there. If you guys want them, you'll find the link in the description. And then he's going to change the valence out in the back. And then he's going to bring it back. We're going to take the rear mufflers or resonators out and put some quad tips on it. Right there. We'll let you hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. So that's what it's going to sound like with just mid muffler deletes and DYNOMAX bullets in their place. You guys can see again. Sound decibels. Definitely needs the rears deleted. Go ahead. Sounds pretty good. It needs to be louder. Yeah, those backs need to be deleted. But he's going to change that black valence right there because it comes with the built-in tips. Get on it! '15 Dodge Charger HEMI. What is it? HEMI. Still got the stock converters there and there. Then we got an X pipe, factory, 2 1/4. Then 2.5 inch resonator delete or mid muffler delete. That was done earlier in the year, and then they brought it back and we put 2 gloss back bullets. We'll have the link in the description for them, there and there. We've done a bunch of these in the past, but we never had to do a video on them. So we'll let you guys hear it. You always want to put them in the back, they sound the best. There's the 2 rear mufflers we took out, or resonators. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And the tips come built into the diffuser, so we don't have to do anything on that part. There it is. What do you think? Again? Give a guess. Again. It peaked at 109, bro. That's not bad. Sound decibels. That's loud. And it's smooth. It's not raspy. You see that? That's what we like about those. Throaty, man. Let you guys hear on the inside. Charger. Hemi, Hemi, Hemi. Hopefully it goes beast mode. Hell yeah! Yeah, baby! Beast mode! 2015 Dodge Charger Hemi, 5.7 liter. Still got the stock converters there and there. Then it comes into a factory X pipe. Then we did some FLOWMASTER Super 10s right there. And right there, part number 842518. If you guys want to look in the description, you can purchase those and put them on your vehicle. And then there's the two tailpipes right there and right there. We cut the back two resonators or mid mufflers or rear mufflers. Everybody calls them differently. And there it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. FLOWMASTER Super 10s never disappoint. They always sound good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Hemi. 2019 Dodge Charger Hemi. Hemi. Oh, he's drinking coffee, so he can't say Hemi. I got him. Hemi. RT. Well, we got done on it for you boys and girls. Stock converters there and there. Then the factory X pipe, 2 1/4 pipe into 2.5 inch factory X pipe. Then what we did is we did a mid resonator or mid muffler delete. He's still choking over there. I don't know if you guys can hear him coughing in the background. We replaced them. There they are over there, thrown in the corner like they're supposed to be, because they make things quiet and we don't like that, right?
Nope.
So we deleted those and put 2 pipes in their place. Then it's got the valves. I know if you guys been watching our videos, you know those valves always got to be kept on, because they control the transmission and they control everything. So it'll make the car go into limp mode if you get them cut off without tuning the car. Anyways, and then we did a rear muffler or rear resonator delete there and there. And he kept the original tips. We're gonna take them off later on, and he's gonna put some 5-inch tips in their place. This is everything we cut off and threw in the corner. And like always, guys, please subscribe. It will help us out tremendously. And hit that like and subscribe button. Appreciate it. And leave your comments below. Let you guys hear. Much better. Don't you agree? Oh, hey, that's a decibel meter up there. Who knows how many decibels? Again? I love it. 117, bro. That's not bad at all. It's awesome. RT. 5.7 liter V8. And true dual straight pipe with an X. Oh man. One more? Let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go. It is at idle. That sounded good. What do you guys think of that little burnout? That's pretty cool. We're not going to have any asphalt soon, but who cares? Let us know what you guys think. 2011 Dodge Charger Hemi. Hemi. Still got the factory converters right there. Then it comes into a factory X-Pipe. Then we did something different. Flow FX FLOWMASTERs. One there. And one there. Then we did a muffler delete on the back, or resonator delete also. Right there. And right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. There's the Flow FX. If you guys want these mufflers, you can see the link in the description on where to get them. Let you guys hear it in a second. Not bad. This is what all came off of it right there. Bad at all. Hope you guys like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Exactly what you wanted, right?
Yeah, I like this sound. Yeah.
FLOWMASTER Flow FX.